I believe that everyone would love to smile with a row of white, shiny teeth. And so in the next couple of videos, I'm going to explain how anyone at any age can improve the natural color of their natural teeth by strengthening their enamel. Now I'm going to contrast this with what happens when you use these artificial whitening and bleaching products. Even the most natural ones will damage your teeth and your oral health to some degree, and I want to explain how this happens. But before we can begin, it's important that I tell you the enamel on the outside of your teeth is not white. Now, the oral care companies selling these whitening products have us all believing that our teeth are like a row of miniature teacups and they'll benefit from being bleached and polished. But in actual fact, the enamel covering our teeth is clear glass. Yes, translucent. You see right through it. And underneath this glass is the softer skin-colored dentin on the inside of our teeth. So how do teeth appear white? Well, it's an optical illusion. And it's created because the enamel of our teeth is made up of little tiny prisms that reflect and refract light from the surface of our teeth. And when this enamel on the surface of our teeth is highly mineralized with lots of minerals, it will reflect and refract light more intensely and appear whiter, just like a diamond does. A diamond isn't white, but when it is brilliant and reflecting light, it appears white. And that's what happens with our teeth. So the secret is to highly mineralize your teeth and make the surface really smooth and shiny.